Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome, my dear students, in grade 3A. Today in our session we studied a very important and exciting lesson. It's about the forests. You know, a forest is a place with many trees and many animals. But today we're going to talk about specific rainforests. A rainforest is what? It's the forest with much rain. So you can find many and many plants, so many different animals and insects. We will divide the rainforest into 4 parts. We have this part, we're talking about it, and also this part, and also another part. So we have 4 parts. So a rainforest is an amazing habitat, a place where you can find many animals. There are many different plants, trees, animals, insects, and birds. It rains a lot, so we call it a rainforest. And it's very hot, that makes it humid. The parts of the rainforest support each other, or the plants, all plants of the rainforest support. Support means help each other. This is called ecosystem. Let's start with the first part of the rainforest. It's called the top layer or the emergent layer. It is at the top of the rainforest. You can see it from the air. If you are in a helicopter or on a plane or flying, you can only see this layer, the top layer or the emergent layer. This is the top of the trees. Not many animals live here. Only birds such as macaws, because birds can fly, so they can live at the top of the rainforest, at the top layer or emergent layer. So birds and some spiders, butterflies, and also some small monkeys. Why? Because monkeys or small monkeys are light, so they can climb trees. Let's go to the next layer. So this layer is called what? The emergent layer or the top layer. 2. The canopy layer. It's under the top layer. This is the canopy layer. It's under the top layer. Here you can find many different animals. Here a shelter and lots of food such as fruit and nuts here. Lots of animals live in the canopy layer, including sloths, monkeys, and birds. So which layer has the most animals? It is the canopy layer, which is under the emergent layer. 3. The understory layer. It's under the canopy. There isn't a lot of sun. Why isn't there a lot of sun? Because there are so many trees, so the sun rays cannot go through it. There isn't a lot of sun here, so it's dark and humid. Rain falls down through the layers above, but there isn't a lot of sun. There are a lot of insects, lizards, and frogs. This is what? The understory layer. This part, you can find lizards, frogs here. There are lots of insects, lizards, and frogs. Other larger animals like lions and tigers hunt for food in the understory layer. The last layer is the forest floor layer. Here you can find only snakes. This is the forest floor layer. It is very dark. Very little sunlight can get through the trees. Snakes crawl. You know crawl? The baby cannot walk. A baby just crawls. Okay? Snakes crawl because they don't have legs. Snakes crawl on the rainforest floor because it's dark. Plants here need to have big leaves so they can get sunlight. So how many layers are there of the rainforest? Yes, top layer or emergent layer, canopy layer, understory layer, and the forest floor layer. Let's look at these sentences. which we did together in the classroom. Sloths live in the emergent layer. Of course, the answer is no. Why? Because sloths are big. They cannot go up here at the top. There aren't a lot of animals in the emergent layer. The answer is what? Yes, no. There are many animals in the emergent. There aren't a lot of animals in the emergent layer. The answer is yes. Yes, of course, yeah. 3. There are a lot of things to eat in the canopy layer. The answer is yes. You can find fruit and nuts and so many other kinds of plants. Not many animals live in the canopy layer. Not many animals live here in the canopy layer. The answer is no. You can find many animals and birds here. It is dark in the understory layer. It is dark here. The answer is yes, because you can't find sun rays here because of so many trees there. Plants on the forest floor have small leaves. Plants on the forest floor layer have small leaves. The answer is no. They have large leaves or big leaves so they can get sunlight. Thank you for watching. There will be another video.